Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A6x, and today I'll show you how you can access recovery mode on this device. So, to get started, we will need to turn off our device by holding the power button and the volume up at the same time. And from the options that show up, you want to swipe down to turn off your device. Give it a moment, and the device should turn off. When it does, hold again power button and volume up. And you will want to let go of the power button when the OPPO logo shows up on the screen. And this should be the recovery mode, but it looks like it's not. So in this case, we're going to try volume down instead. So let's wait for it to boot up. I'm going to basically do an attempt number 2. Come on. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to let go of the power button just like before. There we go. So from here, we're going to be selecting our language by just clicking on it. And this presents us with the recovery mode options, which is things like format data, consists of just a factory reset, which is protected by this randomly generated code that you need to type in. And then reboot and power off are two different ways of leaving this mode. So you know what? I'm going to select reboot, confirm it, and this will bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So unlock the device, there we go. So if you found this very helpful, if I can unlock it, there we go. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.